Shalom, my name is Kirima. I am from Brazil and my native language is Portuguese. I've been studying Hebrew since 2021, and in the beginning of my studies, I thought that it would be a hard job. Because I knew nothing about the Hebrew, I have spent time on studying, making exercises, and attending to the classes. The challenge became easier and Hebrew became more familiar. I want to say that I love this school. I'm in Rosen School. It makes me feel energized, and I think that this has been a great opportunity to meet people from many countries and spend a wonderful time with them. This experience enriches my days a lot. Now I am able to communicate and to read in Hebrew. And I had the desire to read the Bible and make my prayers in Hebrew. And now this is possible. Praise the Lord.